Hi friends, today I am in front of you to discuss one of the most revolutionary change in Indian law history, where a 160-year-old act, Indian Penal Code, has been replaced by a new act that is called Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita 2023. This will be effective from 1st July 2024. Why I am discussing with you? Because from the last so many years and decades, we are all habitual of old acts like cheating for a 420 IPC or murder 302 IPC or accident cases. From 1st July, all this will be facing new changes. So we are aiming to bring a small awareness session for benefit of all the citizens. In the new act, the lesser sections are there as compared to older IPC where 511 sections were there. Now in the new act, only 358 IPC sections are there. One of the most important change in this new act is community service. So as you all know that in the Western countries, in the USA, all these things, for minor punishments, community service is there as a rehab measure. So this was not there in our older act. In the new act, this has been introduced for minor punishment so that a person can undergo reformation and he should be an asset to the society rather than liability. Similarly, in the modern society, more and more digital situations are there where people are using more and more WhatsApp or recordings, video calls, etc. Earlier, these things were not used as an evidence. Now these things can be used as an evidence. The new act permits using all the digital things as an evidence. Similarly, the child-related offences, they have been made more gender neutral. So there is less difference between the boy and girl related offences in the new act. Another major reform in this regard is that in most other offences, the minimum punishment has been decided so that the criminal should not go completely scot-free or he should not get away with paying a minimum fine. So with these changes, the new act is much more leaner. However, it is much more useful and in the tune with the present circumstances. In coming days, we will be giving you more insight about each and every aspect of Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita. This was like an introductory where we have given you a brief session. With each passing day, will give you awareness about women and child-related offences, property offences, murders, and how the old section and the new sections compare with each other. Thank you.